Today I'm going to show you guys 3 different properties you can buy in different St. Paul neighborhoods for $400,000. We are at 183 Sherman. This is a super special building because not too long ago in 2004 they built multiple high-rises right along the Mississippi River, and it's called the Upper Landing. This is one of those buildings, not all of them you can actually purchase, but a few of them you can. So the one on 183 Sherman comes in at just under $400,000, and it is a 2-story condo that boasts amazing river views. Now let's look at another house. Welcome to 571 Burlington Road. This is in the Battle Creek neighborhood, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted to show you this house. I mean, look at this kitchen. It's a brand new build, you guys. Now the specs on this property are a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and like I said, brand new everything. And they have so many great upgrades in this property. And this is actually in the Highwood area, which some of you might not know about. I didn't even know about it first, but I found this gem. It is such a great neighborhood. Driving here, just noticed that there's a nice mix of properties, but it's really tucked away, but you're still pretty close to downtown. Check this one out. Now on to the final house. Welcome to 1191 Conway Street. This is in the Dayton's Bluff neighborhood, and this is on our list today because this is gonna round out the properties I wanted to show you for around $400,000. It's currently listed right now. It is active. You guys can come check it out. It's got some great finishes on the floor, obviously upgrades in the kitchen, and it's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. Nice size house, split entry, and it is ready for you guys to come check it out. What do you want to hear from us? What do you want to see from us? We would love to do a lot more videos, and we want to do what you guys want, so tell us below. Thanks so much for watching the channel.